Imagine the best performing asset class in 2025 has been gold, 30% higher already this year. Why now? And is it set to go higher? Let me explain. First of all, you've seen over the last few years countries start to move away from the dollar. China has been selling US treasuries and gradually building up reserves in gold. India now is doing exactly the same. Many other countries are following the same path. They don't want to hold the dollar, and of course Donald Trump and what he's doing right now has made some people enemies. That of course means that the reserve currency of the world, the US dollar, is under threat. In fact, foreign governments around the world own more gold than US dollars right now for the first time in 29 years. Price 3,500. Can it continue? Well, don't forget, you've got this barrier under it right now because China has a massive trade surplus. Even without America, it's making money and it's not keeping that money in US dollars. Fairly obviously, they've fallen out with America. They don't want to buy dollars. That would give them an issue. Instead, what they're doing is they're investing in gold. And of course, many different individuals around the world, personal investors, they realize that if you've got a depreciation of the dollar, and you have that right now, it's down 11% this year. Imagine, can that go further? Well, yes, it can. And if it does, expect gold to increase its value. In fact, I've said in the past that it would hit 3,300 by the second quarter of this year. It did. I said it could go to 5,000. It could. We're seeing that gold is really the one that people rely on, they trust. Of course, Bitcoin, many people, including myself, would say that's an alternative. Yes, it is. However, gold is trusted more. So if you want something to diversify your portfolio, if you want something that you're not worried about the Fed reducing interest rates, they will. As America more and more moves into a situation where the economy slows down, jobs become less, the Fed's going to reduce interest rates. That's going to drive the gold price even higher. Because why hold dollars when, again, it's not giving you even interest in a return or a falling rate in treasuries? You're likely to want something that you can see is going up in value. So whilst every portfolio, in my opinion, should have some diversification, it's definitely sensible to have some of your money in gold. Do you agree? 5,000? Am I being too optimistic? I think it could achieve that by the end of 2026. What do you think? Do you agree?